Hello everyone, this is Cooking with Matthew. Today we're going to be doing a smoked salmon balls. It'll be a good game day food for you guys. I've got a pound of smoked salmon here. I'm going to show you around what I have. I got my egg wash made up. I've got some roasted red peppers and garlic and onions all pureed up or chopped up in the food processor. I've got some fresh basil, some fresh lemons and stuff. I got some stuff to make a sauce with. My bread station set up, some cream cheese. So I've never done the cream cheese inside of a patty, and I've never made these balls. This was actually just, I was going to make a sandwich, and like I had to go to the store to get these eggs for the egg wash. About $5 a dozen right now. That's just insane to me. But we're going to start out. I'm going to go ahead and dump my onions and peppers in here. I've already got that little mixture made up. We'll go ahead and put my basil in there. Go ahead and put the lemon zest in there. Go ahead and cut the onion or the lemon up, and we will squeeze some lemon juice in there. So then, so I got what I wrote down. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cream cheese in there. I pulled this out and let it set for a little over an hour, right at about an hour to soften up. You can hit it in the microwave a little bit if you want to. So now I'm going to get my hands dirty because I can't find the paddle to my mix, I moved, so there's some stuff I'm still trying to find. Oh yeah, I was going to add a little salt, pepper. Let's do a little salt, pepper to taste. There's a little bit of salt. There's a little bit of black pepper. So we're just going to mash these ingredients together here. I said if you got a mixer, you can mix this stuff together. It'd be much better, less messy. But this is what I'm having to do because I can't find my paddle. Alright, so we got that stuff mixed fairly good. I suggest using a mixer or something because some of them was lemon zest. That's what I was throwing back and they try to come out. Okay, so then I'm going to get some mayonnaise. Let's see. I'm going to go with about a quarter cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to use a spoon to beat this up now. So to show you what we're looking like here, guys. So that's what the mix is actually looking like right now. So now I'm going to have to add some breadcrumbs to this mixture. Hold them together. It's about a half a cup. Alright, now I'm going to check my oil, see where my oil is. I'm going to have to crank it up. I had to crank it down because I went to the gas. I had to go to the store to get some yeah, we're getting close. We're around 300. So now I'm going to get my spoon. I'll mix this stuff together. This helps bind it all together. Okay, so now we've got more of a mixture here. So then I'm going to have my Old Bay here, Old Bay and flour. Get my little salmon balls. Spread them in some flour. Then my egg wash. This could use a little more breadcrumbs if you want to make it. I'm choosing not to put as many, but you can add more breadcrumbs if you. Because this is a little bit looser of a mixture. We'll see how it works out. And maybe we'll have to adjust it. I'm going to try to roll with it like it is. Glass filler. Alright, so we're going to check my temperature again. Got a little water in there. Yeah, we're right around 340. So then, I'll show y'all what I'm doing. We got my salmon balls in here. Go into the breadcrumbs. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them down even smaller. I'm going to cut each one of them in half. Them salmon balls are a little bit big. So it'll just be little bites. We'll go over into my oil, my hot oil. I'll drop them off in there. Wash my hands. Give me a plate, and I don't think I have any daggum paper towels. This is gonna suck a little bit, but it is what it is. I've got this big old thing right here. It's way too big. These things aren't going to look like they're going to take long to fry up. A little bit smaller. Alright, so then what I'm going to do, get this out of the way. Got plenty left. This will be a good little game day snack for everybody. College football is fixing to start up. So now I'm going to get me another little bowl. Let's see, I'm going to try to measure this up for you guys too. We're just going to eyeball it. That's a two heaping tablespoons, just regular spoons that you get from your from that. We're going to drizzle just a little honey in here. That's a little honey in there. Squirt us a little groundstone mustard, not much. We'll put me this lemon zest in there. And then I'm going to a small little dab of this horseradish. I couldn't find my microplane, so the zest is really long and stringy today. Alright, so I give you the recipe for the crab cakes. That stuff you're going to eyeball. You just seen what I did with it. You was really watching the video. So we're going to fix and try it out. These things are out of this world. You'll be the life of the party if you bring them. Alright, so what I'm fixing to do now is I'm fixing to read y'all this recipe off. I didn't use the dill. I was going to use dill in this recipe. I wasted money on dill. I went a different direction. I was going to make a sandwich. I was going to make some kind of dill spread for the sandwich, so I went a whole different direction. Sometimes it just happens. I freestyle this stuff. I was worried about the cream cheese. I've never really put cream cheese inside anything like that, so it worked. Like I said, if y'all want to add a little more, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and give you the recipe. 1 pound of smoked salmon, 4 ounces of cream cheese soft, 1 lemon zest and the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil. You can use the dry basil if you want. It's not going to be as good. 1/4 cup of roasted onion. So I roasted my onions, garlic, and pepper before I started this. This was a longer process than what I just showed you. And I put it in my food processor, blend it together, and it ended up being a 1/4 cup of roasted onion, a 1/4 cup of roasted red bell. Put onion on there twice. And then 2 cloves of roasted garlic. I just mixed that in there after I figured out, because I had to add a little more this to it. So anyways, two roasted cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Then you did your flour, you know, your little breading station, and salt, pepper to taste. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all I'm fixing to show you what this is. What happened with that? Okay. If y'all can read my chicken scratch, that's the recipe. I'll hold it up here for a second. It's a little rough. And you're going to just eyeball that that sauce I made. It's basically like a honey mustard, really. So you could just do honey mustard with it if you wanted just to buy some, make it a little easier on you. But anyways, if you like what you've seen, like, share, subscribe, and everybody have a blessed day. Thank you.